So today I'm going to show you guys how to properly clean and maintain your barbells. This is a bare steel bar. These are great bars, but sometimes they're a little bit susceptible to rust. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to need three things. You're going to need 3-in-1 oil. You're going to need a wire brush. This is a brass wire brush. And you're going to need a good rag. And let's get started. All right, so we're going to start here with like a high rust area. You can see that. And you're basically just going to start by applying your 3-in-1 oil, like so. And you're going to really want to scrub it. What this does is it applies a protective coat, but at the same time, it separates the rust from the bar. And you can see if it looks really dirty like that when you're scrubbing it, that's what you want. So you're going to want to give it a really good scrub. And then after you've scrubbed it thoroughly, wipe it down, check the area. And as you can see, I got a lot of the rust out of here. And you can still see some spots here and there, so some areas you're going to need to go over more than once. So right here on the edge of the grip is a common spot that gets really rusted, so you definitely want to watch out for these spots. And again, just apply your oil, and then give it a really good scrub. And just another tip here about the wire brush you use. The reason I'm using a brass brush is because if you use a steel wire brush on steel, it can ruin the knurling, and we don't want that. So a brass brush is great because it cleans it efficiently, but it also doesn't do any damage to the bar itself. This is what your bar will look like when you're finished. Quick tip too for you is to keep it clean and to prevent this from happening in the future, you're going to want to apply a protective coat once a month. You're basically just going to want to use a 3-in-1 and rub it on there with a rag. And then as rust arises, you can use the wire brush to clean it. But if you apply the protective coat once a month, it should prevent it from getting as dirty as this bar was.